Transferring money from the Regions Bank to another account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to online banking or a mobile app. Then select Transfers. After that, choose Internal Transfer. Next, select Accounts to transfer between. Now, enter the amount and date. Once you are done, review and confirm. Note that fees vary depending on account type. Mostly, the transfer proceeds instantly in no time. Before initiating any transfer, ensure the accuracy of the recipient's account information, including the account number and routing number. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with the transfer, as banks may have varying fee structures. If you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions about the transfer process, it's recommended to contact the customer service of Regions Bank for assistance.